All right. Carnivore Soldier coming at you from Austin, Texas. Today I'm announcing YouTube memberships. YouTube memberships allow you, the viewers, to support me directly as a content creator and help me on my mission, which is Mission Carnivore. As many of you know, my mission is to get the carnivore message out to as many people as I can, but specifically focusing on first responders and veterans and active duty military, because I think it will have a huge impact on them for mental health and physical health reasons. So this is my mission. If you support my mission, there's a lot of ways you can do it. This just gives you an easy way to financially do it. I mean, obviously you can like and subscribe, which always helps, and watch videos and comment, which always helps. But this is a more direct way to support, and also gives you some features and gives you access to me directly, where, as this grows, I cannot interact with everyone as much as I'd love to on a daily basis, because I do have a career outside of this channel. This is a passion project for me, and I do care about you all. But in order to prioritize my time, this will help and also give you guys some great benefits. So let me jump in real quick and we'll talk about the different benefits that are available at different levels of support. Okay, so it starts off as a trooper, and troopers get custom badges. Troopers cost $2.99 a month, and you get a custom badge that will progress as you stay in support longer. So from 1 month to 2 months to 3 months to 6 months to 12 months to 24 months, you'll see basically I put a rack of ribbons underneath the Carnivore logo to show how long you've been in, just like you do in the military or law enforcement. And then it culminates with the Resilient Warrior helmet at the end, which I believe is 24 months in. So anyway, that's the trooper. And every one of these levels, you get the new features plus the features from the previous level. So as I go through. So then there's a team leader, which is $9.99 a month. Team leaders get early access to new videos, personal member shout outs at the end of videos. So your name will be listed if you are a team leader or above as a supporter of this channel in the videos, in the rolling credits at the end. You'll get exclusive member only videos. So I will put out some exclusive videos just for team leaders and above. You'll get members only live chat. So I'll send out invites to chat sessions where we can do some members only chats. And then you'll get free access to my introductory carnivore digital content. So right now I have a planning guide that many of you have purchased, and you can purchase. It tells you how to plan for your carnivore diet, setting your why, setting your goals, making actions that become habits, that kind of stuff, and preparing for holidays. It's all that good stuff. That's free with this too. So the team leader is like an awesome value grab. The next thing would be a squad leader. The squad leader is $24.99 a month, and that will allow us to connect as friends on social media. It'll give us members only live streams together. So I'll do some live streams that are just for squad leaders and above. And then we'll have personal member shout outs during any live streams. So even the public ones, you guys will get the shout outs. So if I see you on, I will definitely bring you up and give you a shout out. Right now, I can give a lot of people shout outs because we have small live streams. But as we continue to grow, this will allow me to scale better. Then the next thing is platoon leaders. Now, platoon leaders, we're actually starting into coaching. So it'll be everything from the squad leader down. Plus, you get a 15-minute personal coaching call once per month with me. Personal coaching call can be done during FaceTime or some other app or on the phone. So we can actually do a call and go over how you're doing, and I can help coach you with your carnivore journey. And then the last one would be the commanding officer, and that is $99 a month, and we give you a 30-minute coaching call once per month. So you would get a 30-minute call instead of just a 15-minute call. So that's the only one that's not inclusive. You don't get a 30 and a 15-minute. You would go from a 15-minute call to a 30-minute call for $99 a month. And again, I would just coach you on how your carnivore journey is going, and we'd talk about different things, different aspects of the carnivore diet specifically for you. So that's what I got going on, guys. Hope you guys will join me in supporting the channel and supporting me on Mission Carnivore. Anyway, all I got to say is stay strong and overcome. Carnivore Soldier out.